Hi, welcome to Sciprex. In today's video, we will explore on Finance and Accounting Manager, a short recap on Finance and Accounting Manager. A finance and accounting manager plays a crucial role in an organization's financial health. They oversee budgeting, financial planning, reporting, auditing, and compliance. Their responsibilities include managing accounting teams, ensuring accurate financial records, analyzing financial data, and supporting strategic decisions. With strong analytical skills and knowledge of financial regulations, they help drive profitability and maintain financial stability. Here are some friendly question and answers for an interview preparation. Q1. Can you describe your experience with financial planning and analysis? Answer. Certainly. I have led annual budgeting and quarterly forecasting processes, analyzing variances between actuals and projections. I work closely with department heads to align financial planning with strategic goals, using tools like Excel, SAP, and Power BI to build dynamic financial models. Q2. How do you ensure accuracy in financial reporting? Answer. I implement strict internal controls and conduct regular reconciliations and audits. I review journal entries, validate data entries, and ensure compliance with accounting standards such as GAAP or IFRS. I also train staff on best practices to minimize errors. Q3. How do you handle financial audits? Answer. I prepare detailed audit schedules, maintain organized documentation, and liaise directly with external auditors. My approach is proactive. I conduct internal pre-audits to identify discrepancies in advance and ensure compliance with all statutory requirements. Q4. What accounting software are you proficient in? Answer. I am proficient in SAP, Oracle Financials, QuickBooks, and Tally. Additionally, I use Excel for advanced financial modeling and Power BI or Tableau for dashboard reporting and analysis. Q5. How do you manage cash flow effectively? Answer. I forecast cash flow weekly and monthly, monitor receivables and payables, and maintain optimal liquidity levels. I also renegotiate credit terms and optimize working capital to ensure operational efficiency. Q6. Describe your leadership style in managing the accounting team. Answer. I follow a collaborative and results-driven approach. I set clear expectations, encourage open communication, and regularly review performance. I also provide mentoring and training to help team members grow professionally. Q7. How do you stay updated on changes in financial regulations or tax laws? Answer. I subscribe to financial news outlets, attend webinars, and am a member of professional bodies like CAI and ACCA. I also ensure regular team updates and policy reviews to align with regulatory changes. Q8. How do you align financial strategy with overall business objectives at a senior level? Answer. I collaborate closely with executive leadership to understand the company's strategic goals such as market expansion, cost optimization, or M&A. I then translate these goals into financial terms, creating long-term forecasts, investment plans, and ROI analyses. I also use KPIs to measure how financial performance supports strategic outcomes and adjust plans based on market or internal changes. Q9. How do you handle financial risk management in a volatile business environment? Answer. I begin by identifying key financial risks: market, credit, liquidity, and operational. I use tools like sensitivity analysis, scenario modeling, and hedging strategies to mitigate risk. I also establish robust internal controls, ensure diversification of revenue streams, and maintain healthy liquidity reserves. Regular risk reviews with stakeholders are essential to remain agile. Q10. Describe a time when you had to present complex financial data to non-financial stakeholders. How did you ensure clarity and impact? Answer. In one instance, I presented a multi-year capital expenditure plan to the board. I translated the data into visual dashboards and focused on business impacts, ROI, payback period, and strategic benefits. I avoided jargon and used clear analogies, ensuring every stakeholder, regardless of background, understood the implications and supported the decision. And Q11, how do you evaluate the financial viability of a major investment or acquisition? Answer: I conduct thorough due diligence, assessing historical financials, EBITDA margins, working capital needs, and debt structures. I build detailed DCF models, NPV IRR analyses, and sensitivity scenarios to understand potential upside and risks. I also assess cultural and operational synergies, aligning the investment with long-term business strategy. Hope you like this video? Subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thanks for watching Sciprex. Keep learning and stay inspired.